Enjoy off-road excursions in the future with the 2026 Hummer Motorhome. Based on the popular Hummer EV, this mobile fortress is more than just an RV. Its tough, long-lasting external design includes large all-terrain tires, a chassis that can be adjusted for ground clearance, and a look reminiscent of the military. This beast's almost silent yet unstoppable power comes from its tri-motor electric engine, which produces over 1,000 horsepower and an incredible level of torque. This RV's electric drivetrain is built to deliver exceptional off-road performance and environmentally responsible mobility. You may spend more time off the grid without compromising comfort thanks to the huge battery pack and integrated solar panels. The Hummer Motorhome's cockpit is more like a future command center than a normal recreational vehicle. Large, high-resolution digital screens that are managed by a sophisticated artificial intelligence system take center stage on the dashboard. Every component of the RV, including the driving modes, off-road capabilities, and amenities like climate control and lighting, is managed via a single touchscreen. Range, battery life, and a live feed from the array of external cameras are among the important details that are conveniently shown on the driver's display. The simple design and comfortable, high-quality seats make every trip pleasant and focused. The inside is a brilliant fusion of high-end design and sturdy construction. The modular furniture in the large living area may be rearranged to make space for working, dining, or simply unwinding. The materials are a combination of high-end, durable textiles and cutting-edge composites. Because of all the natural light streaming in from the wide windows and panoramic sunroof, the camper looks much larger than it actually is. AI-powered voice commands and smart home capabilities make it simple to manage your surroundings. The bedroom provides a peaceful and cozy haven when it's time to sleep. The focal point is a queen-sized Murphy bed that, when not in use, elegantly folds into the wall to free up additional living space throughout the day. The bed itself had lovely coverings and was quite sturdy. A simple button push may expose a concealed television, and ambient lighting may be changed to create the ideal peaceful environment. For an RV, the bathroom is surprisingly roomy and contemporary. It contains a smart toilet with integrated bidet functions and a rainfall shower with a high-pressure water system. The materials are simple to clean and made to withstand the demands of travel, and the vanity and sink space is well lit and has enough of storage. The kitchen is among the finest illustrations of well-considered small space design. High-end, energy-efficient appliances including a refrigerator, microwave, and induction burner are included. The cabinetry is cleverly built with innovative storage solutions to securely keep all of your needs, even when traveling over rough terrain, and fold-away extensions optimize the countertop area. No matter where you go, you will always have access to clean drinking water because of an integrated water filtration system.